Hello everyone, let's dive into the RK104 retro mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to blend vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, and it certainly makes a statement right out of the box. The RK104 features a full-size 104-key layout, which is pretty standard, but what sets it apart are the round keycaps and the wood grain finish. The combination gives it a distinct typewriter-like appearance that retro enthusiasts will likely appreciate. It's definitely a conversation starter on any desk. Typing on this keyboard is an experience. The mechanical switches provide tactile and audible feedback, closely mimicking the feel of classic typewriters. Each key press is satisfyingly clicky, which might be a plus or minus depending on your preference and environment. If you enjoy a more pronounced typing feel, you'll probably love this. The keyboard also supports N-key rollover, with switchable 6-key and full-key rollover modes. This is crucial for gamers and fast typists, ensuring that every key press registers accurately, even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. Key ghosting won't be an issue here, which is a big plus for performance. Comfort is also a consideration. The RK104 comes with an adjustable knob stand, allowing you to customize the keyboard's angle. This helps in achieving an ergonomic setup, reducing strain during long typing sessions. It's a simple but effective feature that enhances overall usability. Connectivity is straightforward with a USB cable, and it's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows XP through Win 10, as well as Mac. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile option for different devices and setups. In summary, the RK104 retro mechanical keyboard is a well-rounded product that successfully merges vintage design with modern technology. Its unique aesthetics, tactile typing experience, and practical features make it a compelling choice for retro lovers and anyone looking to add a touch of classic style to their workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.